I'm going to show a method for changing the Multistrada Centerstand spring. Normally a pain in the rear. Some people put one screw in and then twist the Centerstand into place, but I found that, at least on my bike, that just wasn't very practical and the spring's still a little too long. Pulling it by hand is just about impossible, so I'm going to do it this way. This is because my Centerstand spring broke off. So here we go. Put the little spring inside the new larger spring. Hook it to the stud on the bike. I'm using this Cruise Tools spring puller, which I like. I want one that has the handle perpendicular to the hook, because that way it stands up and doesn't bump into the tire when you're pulling on it. So I have taken a small ratcheting tie down and wrapped it around the back tire. Just clip it to the spring puller. A little bit of tension on it. And stretch the spring. It is tricky to keep both springs in this hook. I may take a grinder and grind it a little deeper. But with the puller on the back side of the Centerstand leg, just ratchet tie down to ratchet both springs into place. Use a cable tie to help pull this hook down to right level. Checking I've got both springs in there. Like I do. Just in place and release the tie down. Remove the cable tie. Disconnect the strap and remove the puller. Rings installed.